Welcome to flooringdubai.com, where we help you find the best flooring solutions for every space, from luxury villas to functional garages. Your garage is more than just a place to park your car. It can be a workshop, a home gym, a storage area, or even an extension of your living space. And the right flooring makes all the difference. So today, we're sharing 7 amazing garage flooring ideas for every purpose, style, and budget. 1. Epoxy coating, durable and sleek. First up, epoxy flooring, a customer favorite. Epoxy is tough, glossy, and resistant to oil, stains, and cracks. It gives your garage a polished, professional finish, and it's ideal for both residential and commercial garages. Perfect if you want something modern, durable, and easy to clean, especially for car enthusiasts and mechanics. 2. Interlocking PVC or rubber tiles, fast and flexible. Next, we have interlocking tiles made from PVC or rubber. These are super easy to install with no glue or tools required. They come in different colors, textures, and patterns, so you can customize the look of your garage. They're also soft underfoot and great for gyms or workshops where you're standing for long hours. 3. Garage floor mats, roll out and go. If you're renting or want a no-commitment option, garage floor mats are perfect. Just roll them out and your floor is instantly protected. They resist oil, water, and dirt, and are great for people who want a clean space with zero installation effort. Plus, they're easy to move and clean. 4. Vinyl plank flooring, stylish yet practical. Surprised to see vinyl here? Don't be. Vinyl plank flooring works great for garage conversions, especially if you're turning the space into a home office, gym, or lounge area. It's water resistant, stylish, and can handle moderate foot traffic. It gives your garage a real interior feel, without the cost of hardwood or tile. 5. Polished concrete, industrial and low maintenance. If you prefer something sleek and industrial, polished concrete is a top choice. It's incredibly durable and reflects light well, making your garage feel more open and bright. It's also stain resistant when sealed properly, and works great in hot climates like the UAE, where temperature control matters. 6. Painted concrete, budget-friendly refresh. Want a quick refresh without breaking the bank? Concrete paint or sealer is a simple and affordable way to upgrade your garage. It improves appearance, protects against dust, and adds some water resistance, ideal for storage-focused garages. Available in multiple colors, it's a fast weekend DIY project. 7. Foam tiles, for gyms and kids zones. And finally, foam tiles, perfect if you're turning your garage into a workout area or kids playroom. They're soft, safe, and easy to install or replace. While they're not ideal for car parking, they're excellent for comfort and insulation in activity zones. At flooringdubai.com, we offer expert advice, full installation services, and the best flooring materials for every type of garage use. Visit our website or showroom today to explore samples, get a quote, or book a consultation. Thanks for watching, and remember, great floors start with flooringdubai.com.